Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Consider cooking!
This is how you make a brownie in a mug. The ingredients we'll need are 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons chocolate chips, and a pinch of salt. We'll also need 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The instructions are: mix the dry ingredients together in your mug. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients together. Pour the wet ingredients into the mug and fold everything together gently. If you like, you can sprinkle additional chocolate chips over the top of the batter. Place the mug in your microwave and cook for about 90 seconds. You may need to put it in for an additional 90 seconds, depending on your microwave. Top it off with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, then eat it up. And then make a second one and eat it up. And if you can, a third and a fourth. They are really good.